Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I am going to a birthday celebration this weekend and I wasn't sure what to get the person for their birthday. It is my daughter-in-law's grandmother that raised her. They're having a birthday party for her. I think it's a milestone, but I'm not sure. So I decided to do a birthday in a box. So I again have used the watercolor floral paper pad from Prima, and this is so pretty, and the lady does not scrap at all. She probably doesn't even know what scrapbooking is. But again, I have used just about everything almost that I received from Michelle Randolph, whom is the Shabby Chic Chick here on YouTube. And I used this little banner piece that she sent, and it's got a zigzag stitch right in the center. I love that. That's pretty. And I did put it up on foam so it wasn't right up against the lid here. I used another one of her flowers along with a Prima flower, and this one was in my stash. This is a gold stamen, and I did use some flourishes, or a leaf flourish. And these guys, I used the liquid pearls on here, but I don't know what I did wrong. They kind of just got a hole in the center. Not a hole, but there's an indentation in the center. So I don't know what I did wrong, but they're on there. They're going to stay on there. And I used some of the leaf vine that I have in my stash, and this beautiful butterfly again that Michelle made. I did stickle the center of that flower that she has on there, and stickled the flowers as well. So this is a box. It is 4x4, and this is the outside. I did not decorate the outside. I just think that's so pretty. But I did have a die in my stash, a border die. So I did cut the border die and attach it to the lid, and then I put some flat back pearls on there. These are the large ones from Michael's. So there is her box, and the reason it's called birthday in a box is because when you open up when you remove the lid, it has her little birthday stuff in here. So I made her a card, and this is a 3.5 by 3.5 card. Again, I used one of the flowers, one of the roses that Michelle made, along with other flowers just like the lid. And then see the way that liquid pearls, just I don't know what it is. So I am going to write on the inside a little message. So this is her birthday card. And then also I made her a gift card envelope. So this is from a different swap that Michelle sent me, but I thought it matched pretty well, so I went ahead and used this flower, because at this point I'm out of the roses that she made. And then this one is a white flower. I just inked the edges and added stickles to it with a bow. And then I did add a little bit of the stickles right here and right here at the bottom, which you probably can't see very well. And then on the back, I used a piece of Velcro to close it, and as a tiny Velcro dot. And I'm going to put a gift card in here along with a little note. So this is her gift card holder. And then the star of the show is a birthday cake. So here is the inside of the box. I did layer the inside. I did not layer the bottom. So this is her birthday cake that I made her. And I just used circle dies, guys. I cut a large circle. There's a smaller one under this rope right here, this twisted rope. There's a smaller one because I wanted it to be nice and sturdy. And then I followed the liquid pearls along the bottom here because I wanted to be cohesive. And I did some of the leaves in gold, and I put a one row of the bling pieces around the top of the cake. And I took a candle, a birthday candle, and I cut it down and I glued it to the center of the little cluster of flowers so that it would be her birthday cake. Oh, I just thought it was so adorable. And around the cake, I used more of the paper. I did ink the edges, and I used some of the green leaf vine, and then I put a row of pearls going around the cake. I just thought that was so adorable. And then when I lift the top off the cake, I'm gonna fill it with little candies, some chocolates, and again, I just took a die and I cut it out, and I just made the top and the bottom. I did layer this because it's a little loose, but it's better. That's why I layered it, so that it would be, you know, just a little more snug. And then I covered the inside, and that is going to be our gift to her, birthday in a box. So I just thought that was so cute. And there we go, ready to go. All I need to do is write the message in here, put the gift card in there, and we are good. Put it on the box and it is good to go. She can celebrate her birthday. All right, guys, I thought I would do this quick project share, and I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope that it has given you inspiration, because birthday in a box, very, very quick, very simple, and it doesn't have to be a cake. You can do something else, but that is what I am calling birthday in a box. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day.